All right. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, can we meet you?
My name is Gbolahan Victoria, a 100 level student in the University of Ibadan.
Wow. 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 So, we are hearing that today is your matriculation day.
Yeah.
How do you feel? How do you feel towards everything?
It's sort of mixed feeling.
Uh,
The feeling of happiness because finally got the best and the best.
wow.
Course to choose. And also the feeling of fearing not doing what is ahead of you.
Wow. So, to those around, can we know about the number of jams you wrote, the number of Post-UTME, the number of schools you tried, and how you got into UI? Just briefly.
So I wrote two jams.
Two jams. Okay.
My first jam, I applied to a first,
Okay.
but I didn't get it. If I applied to UI.
Wow.
So then I did get to UI.
Wow.
And that's right. If I finally got to UI.
Wow.
So that's two jams.
So the two jam scores were what?
First one was 65. The
Okay.
second was 305.
Wow. 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 That's a great feat. So I don't know. I know you might not have seen a lot in UI, but to you, how is it looking like it's going to be? Smooth, soft, hectic, tensed? Just give it a word.
So it feels comforting to edit.
Okay.
So the feeling feels like jam supposed to be. So it's more of like comforting. And,
Wow.
I will scale through.
Wow. And God will help you. So what's the part of Primax in this whole story?
Okay, so the part of Primax was that Primax helped me shape my decision making, but let me have a clearer view of what I wanted to do, what I wanted to study, and then it helped me with my academics all around.
Wow. So shout out to Primax all over. So this is from Gbolahan Victoria from nursing department, 100 level, like the newly admitted first and best University of Ibadan. All right, so hoping to see you at Primax for any of your exams that you are planning to write, for your WAEC, for your JAM, and Post-UTME. Primax has got you covered. So can you just say thanks to Primax?
Thank you, Primax.
All right, bye.
Bye.